All right, so welcome to the video. So in this video, I want to share with you guys what I got going on with one of my Bambu Lab P1Ss. Now, if you own a Bambu Lab P1S, you are going to know that the poop situation is insane. So here we go. All right, so here is the poop from my Bambu Lab P1S. And this was just on one 3D print project, which is actually from this guy right here. You can expect this much filament poop. And yeah, that is quite a bit. And as you guys can see, I got a big container right here. But I mean, setting this up is really not too bad. I mean, I just need to get in the back here. And of course, put it in place like so. So that's pretty much my setup right now for that. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, it works very well. But I wanted something that was a little bit more easier. So I came across this filament poop slide. And I 3D printed it. And that print came out awesome. I mean, look at it. So I 3D printed this with one of my Anycubic Cobra 2 Maxes. Hopefully this will be a little bit better with the poop situation. All right. So I am just loving the print quality on the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. So this is pretty much what we can expect. The Anycubic Cobra 2 Max is awesome, especially when you want to 3D print like large prints like this all in one shot. But yeah, I'm very glad though that I came across this filament poop slide, and I mean this will really come in handy if you guys are thinking of getting a Bambu Lab P1S, or if you guys do have a Bambu Lab P1S, you guys definitely know this situation. And I mean, reaching back there is really not an issue, but if there's a better way to get access to that filament poop, I mean, why not give it a shot? So hopefully this makes that situation a lot better. So you got this slide here from the very top all the way down, very nice and smooth. So there should not be any issues with the filament poop sliding down this thing, and hopefully everything just piling up right in here. So to test out this filament poop slide for the Bambu Lab P1S, I'm going to use this container of filament poop that I got from my Bambu Lab P1S and test out this poop slide. Will it work or is it a fail? All right, so the filament is going to be coming out from this very side right here. So let's just test out and throw one down. All right, so it landed on the very bottom here with no issues. Try it some more. All right, so this is pretty much the results that you're gonna get from using this, and it's exactly what I was expecting, and this is gonna be awesome. We got quite a bit in this container right here, but let's see how much of this will fit on the very bottom of this. All right, so for the amount of filament poop that was in this container, it is totally a lot less now. So I managed to just pile the filament poop in the filament poop slide, and this is kind of what you can expect. Like, let's say you want to really see like the limits of this filament poop slide, like how much can it take. I mean, this is probably like the max, I would say. Like if you would forget to check your filament poop slide, I mean, this is how much filament poop this filament slide can handle. And I am very surprised. I wasn't really expecting most of the filament poop to actually fit in here, but it actually did. So I only have a little bit of amount left. And early on in the video, there was a lot of it right in here. And yeah, I mean, this filament poop slide is awesome. If you have a Bambu Lab P1S, this filament poop slide would definitely come in handy. It's definitely what I'm going to be using for my Bambu Lab P1S. All right, so I'm just pretty much just going to go on the side here and just put it in place. All right, I'm just going to pretty much just reach behind here and just slide it to the side. All right, so as you guys can see, the bottom of the poop slide is actually very nice and flush with the Bambu Lab P1S. So that looks awesome. And going in the back here, as you guys can see, where the filament poop comes out of the Bambu Lab P1S on the back here, it's very nice and aligned with the top of the slide. So that is awesome. Again, you guys can put a magnet on there and make sure that slide stays in place. I mean, for the most part, this slide is not going anywhere. It's very nice and flush on the other end. But yeah, I mean, everything looks awesome. But yeah, I mean, if you guys are thinking of getting a Bambu Lab P1S, or if you guys do already have a Bambu Lab P1S, if you guys do not have this filament poop slide yet, I mean, I would highly recommend it. It's awesome, and it's definitely a game changer. But yeah, if you guys like the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. Until next time, guys, stay inspired. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.